10 AI terms that will make you sound like an expert. 2025 edition. You have heard of ChatGPT, but do you know what RAG, MCP, or Agentic AI actually mean? These aren't just buzzwords, they're building blocks of every AI system you'll work with in 2025. In the next 5 minutes, I'll break down 10 essential AI terms. No fluff, no jargon, just clear explanations of what you can actually use. Let's dive in. Number 1. LLM, Large Language Model. LLMs are engines powering ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Here's what they do. Understand and generate human language, write code, emails, and reports, answer questions conversationally. But here's the catch. LLMs don't know anything. They predict the most likely next word based on patterns from their training data. They're incredibly smart pattern matchers, not knowledge databases. Number 2. RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. LLMs can make stuff up. That's called hallucination. RAG solves this. Here's how it works. It retrieves relevant information from trusted sources, augment the AI's context with the data, generate accurate answers based on real information. This is why companies use RAG for internal chatbots, customer support AI, compliance-sensitive applications. RAG means AI with receipts. Number 3. Vector database. Traditional databases store data in rows and columns. Vector databases store data as embeddings, mathematical representations of meaning. This lets AI search by concept, not just keywords, find similar documents instantaneously, and power semantic search and RAG systems. The popular ones are Pinecone, Chroma, VV8. Think of it as AI's long-term memory system. Number 4. AI agents. An AI agent doesn't just answer questions. It takes actions. Give it a goal like, book me a flight to Tokyo, and it will. So it will check your calendar, search flight options, compare prices, and complete the booking. Agents are the AI that gets stuff done. They're the future of automation and productivity tools. Number 5 is Agentic AI. Agentic AI is when multiple agents work together like a team. Imagine, one agent plans a project, another executes tasks, a third verifies the quality. Coding assistance, enterprise workflow automation, multi-step problem solving are being built right now. Multiple agents, but one goal. MCP is the Model Context Protocol. MCP controls what information an AI model can access. Why does this matter? It ensures only relevant data gets used. Sensitive information stays protected. Models behave predictably and securely. MCP is essential for enterprise AI governance and building trustworthy systems. Number 7 is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art of getting AI to do exactly what you want. A good prompt be like, write a 500-word blog post about AI in healthcare professional tone, include 3 examples. But a bad prompt for the same would be write something. Better prompts means better results. In 2025, this isn't optional. It's a must-have professional skill for anyone working with AI. Number 8. LRM, Large Reasoning Model. LRMs don't just generate text. They think through problems. They break complex questions into logical steps, reason through multiple possibilities, arrive at a well-structured conclusion. They are perfect for mathematical proofs, legal analysis, and strategic planning. LRMs predict, LRMs reason. Number 9 is AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. AGI is the holy grail. AI can do any intellectual task a human can. Not specialized AI for chess or image recognition, but general purpose intelligence. We are not there yet. Current AI is narrow, excellent at specific tasks but can't generalize like humans. AGI is a long-term target of AI research. Number 10 is ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. ASI is the AI that surpasses human intelligence in every domain. It would outthink the smartest humans, self-improve exponentially, and potentially pose existential risks. ASI is still theoretical, but it is a center of AI safety debates. This is why AI governance and ethics matter right now. There you have it. 10 AI terms that separate beginners from people who actually understand how AI works. AI isn't magic. It is architecture, data, reasoning, and control. Master these concepts and you're already ahead of 90% of the people talking about AI. If you want more breakdowns like this on AI technology, data systems, cybersecurity, and tech governance, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because AI is moving fast and you don't want to get left behind. See you in the next one.